going on, guys? I'm with my guy David. I'm pressure washing this commercial property tonight, and we're also going to just be cleaning this whole dang plaza, so should be pretty interesting.
Let's get it.
It's going to drain through here. We're going to start right here and then go down, put bleach on the stairs so it whitens it up after you wash all of this. Wash the papers first, all right?
So worry about this area first, and then we hit the white areas after?
Correct. Yeah, we'll hit the white areas, downstream it, and then we'll go over there.
All right.
All right.
You sure you don't want me to go over here just in case? I'll just push everything from this that way.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea. So we're filling our tanks up. It is just taking forever. The tank needs to be up all the way over here. We've been waiting for like 15 minutes, so, but that's fine. This is a good teaching point, but you can see where this is leaking.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I didn't put it in there all the way?
Yeah, we need to screw that on there tighter. Which sucks because we can't really reach the vise, huh? Maybe.
So you were saying to...
I would take it off, but we need to screw this on tighter.
Okay.
Because it's leaking. And
That's
when
what I
it
was
leaks,
thinking at first.
yeah, we don't get as much power. So a quick trick as well, if you're dealing with property managers, definitely show them a spot where you can give them a test spot, because when you can give them a test spot area for like a bigger job, like a building wash like this, they're gonna be really susceptible to use you guys. So we're gonna give them a test spot. They wanted it, we addressed it, and hopefully we can land this thing. To worry about is that.
So this building and that building right there?
Okay. I think we ought to just try to crank it out tonight.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. So we can just try to make tomorrow as easy as possible.
Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Yeah. True man, I'm free. I wake up a new episode. I pop out cleaners, keep me up a level though. She talk to me like I'm not me. I get it though. Yeah. I'm so eclectic, on me to the credits roll. Talk down to me, they might have to send medical. I'm out the league, I'm OD, they pathetic though. Look how I move, I'm protected.
So we're having a little bit of a hiccup. The width line got like really loose. So we just got to make sure that it's tight, and then everything is good. He's connecting it just now. You can run over to the surface cleaner, D.
All right. I just had to make sure it was on first.
There you go. Yeah. Take that out. Good. So my guy won't eat. He does this every damn time. Every damn time he will not eat until the job is done, or this one section is not done. So I just got him Jersey Mike's. If you can see, just got him Jersey Mike's, and he will not eat.
Hey man, they emphasize job isn't finished. We have a lot to do. we've done some insane projects.
Yeah.
This is like probably one of the medium-sized ones, but hey, I'm not gonna eat until we get this thing done, man.
Can y'all see the test spot? Can y'all see it? I'm telling you. Right there. Hey, Dave. Are you good? Oh, okay, got you. Yeah. Let me turn it on for Dave. Stop. It's getting cold.
Keep it coming, left, right, a little bit. There you go, keep backing it up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Keep coming. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, stop.
We on it?
I mean, not on it, but like,
Night 2 tonight. We have this big dumpster pad. Filthy, guys. We're bringing out the hot water, 8 gallon per minute. And then we also have this stairwell, okay? So let me show you what we got going. We've got my 2 guys. We got David and Curtis coming out tonight, right? The water should be over there. Hold on. Water key for commercial spigot. David. Ooh, you might have to, yeah, you have to unravel all of it. Does it have a water key thing? I think so.
yeah, it does.
Yeah. Don't start it yet. You have to put the stuff in the bucket.
Yeah, I need the piece.
Look how gross this shit is. I mean, dude, this is disgusting, bro. Look at this. This is nasty. And all the walls. We're cleaning all the walls, too.
Sheesh.
Like, all the walls are nasty as hell. So, we'll see. There it is. Even get the walls, see? You know how dirty these walls are. Curtis, what are we doing here?
We're just doing a downstreaming some degreaser with cold water, letting it set on the concrete, do its job, and after it's dwelled for a little while and broken up the grease, then we'll come back with hot water and rinse and let the hot water do its job.
Awesome, dude. fucking rainy. I got my boy David looking at me crazy. I'm looking at him crazy. I don't know. It's coming out good. Parking garage, buildings, they all came out really good. It's just this damn night is taking forever for no reason. For no fucking reason. So, either way, guys, enjoy the rest of the footage.
Thanks, man.
That area came out really nice. Really nice. Hope you guys enjoyed the footage. And if you learned anything, if you like this type of content, definitely do not forget to subscribe, as I want to continuously just keep pouring that value out for you guys. Much love. I appreciate you guys for sticking tuned, and I will see you in that next one.